Ćao svima, evo i opet. Danas igramo Dirt 3. Inače jednu trku ćemo odigrati ovdje. Zašto mi je jedna i ostala. Ova finalna. I hajdemo. Kao što sam po meni igramo na 1024. Na 768 grafici.
Let me give you some advice. Oh, who am I kidding? You're a rallycross star.
Idemo. Nevjerojatno je kada završim ja ovu igricu. Ćemo napraviti
Don't forget, you can upload that race footage to YouTube, if you think it's good enough.
Great race. I'd say...
Ima još. Peti sam to. Koji? Pa me zanima koji auto, a ne... Citroen, evo. Red Bull, aha.
Hey, Oscar. I've been keeping my bosses updated on your progress. They're so happy with you. They think you're ready to go to the DC Gymkhana Academy at Battersea in London.
Dude, you're going to love this. Master Gymkhana, and there's no telling how high your star will fly.
And I hear they've lined up a bit of a legend to show you the ropes.